Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add another account on Discord, especially after the latest update. Whether you want to manage multiple servers or just keep personal and professional accounts separate, it's super easy to set up. So, let's dive in. First, you want to open Discord on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account you already use. Once you're in, look down at the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see your username. Now, go ahead and click on your username. A small menu will pop up. From that menu, you'll need to click on Switch Accounts. This will open up a new option to manage multiple accounts on Discord. In the next window, you'll see a button that says Add an Account. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll enter the details for the new account you want to add. You'll be prompted to enter either a new email address or phone number. After that, enter a password for your new account. If you're creating this account for the first time, Discord will walk you through a few more steps to complete the setup. You may need to verify your email or phone number, so make sure to check your inbox or messages for that confirmation code. Once you've entered everything, just follow the on-screen instructions to finish creating the account. Once it's done, you'll be able to switch between your different accounts easily from the same Discord window. And that's it. Now you can manage multiple accounts on Discord without having to log out or switch devices. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.